So hi everyone, this is Suleiman Shahjahan from learnwp.net. So in this video, we will see how to install a WordPress theme. Open your browser, go to your dashboard, localhost, your folder name wp-admin, and log into your website. Now a WordPress theme is used to design the layout of your website. To install a theme in your WordPress website, go to Appearance and Themes. Now if you see, by default WordPress provides you with 3 default themes which you can use, or you can just go and add a new one by clicking on this Add New button. And there are a lot of free WordPress themes that you can use, and you can preview the themes from here, or you can click on this preview button to see a live demo. So we are going to install this. So we are going to install this xampp theme. Just click on the install button. Now before we activate this theme, let me show you how the front end of our website looks. Now if you see, this is the default view, that is when we install the WordPress by default. So as soon as we activate the theme that we just installed, you will see that the layout will change accordingly. Okay, so we don't right now have any content in the website. We will add the data in the next videos, like how to add pages, how to create categories, how to add posts into those categories, how to add a menu, how to add a footer. So we'll see all of these things in the next videos. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so. Like this video and share it with your friends. And in the comment box, please write what inspires you to learn WordPress. Thank you so much for watching.